Today we are going to solve a question of GATE Chemistry 2019. So the question given to us asks us about the number of HNMR signals, which is hydrogen nuclear magnetic resonance signals, observed for this following compound. So to find the number of NMR signals, which is the hydrogen NMR signals, we need to first see what are the different kind of hydrogen in the structure. So for that, let us first draw the structure over here. So I'd be drawing the structure, then pointing out which are the different kinds of hydrogen atoms present in this compound. So as many different kinds of hydrogen atoms would be present in this compound, that many number of different signals would be observed for this compound. So in this compound we can see that the different hydrogen atoms, maybe first say, let's name them as in alphabetical order. So this is A, or we just hold on, let me use a different color. This is A, then B, the second one, then we have our C. Over here there would be a hydrogen, which would be a C. Then there would be one over here, which is D, E, which is the hydrogen over here and over here, and this is the last one, which is F. So over here for this compound, E and F are diastereotopic in nature. So we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We get 6 different kinds of hydrogen atoms. So the answer to this question, that the number of HNMR signals, which is the number of HNMR signals for this compound, what we have over here is number 6, because there are 6 different types of hydrogen atom. If you have any queries or doubts regarding this question, please contact us on www.SouravSirClasses.com. Thank you.